Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how you can change the fonts inside of Canva. Here we have a design that I've just used from the Canva library. And as we can see here now, there's some text on the front. If we select the text, we can see now that this top element of the text is using the font The Seasons. If we select the font box, we can now see we have got lots more options and lots of different texts. So here we can see now we have fonts. So that's just showing different types of fonts. We can also use text styles. So that is like headings and subheadings. Here as well, we have a search bar. So inside the search bar, you could type in the name of a font if you know a font that you are going to use. Here now, we have different options for different types of fonts. So we've got handwriting, corporate, display, and we can scroll through and they are all different types of fonts, and that will make it easier to narrow down if you are looking for a font. If there was a certain type of font you wanted to search for, then that would make that easier to find. The next one is showing us document fonts. So that's showing the two fonts that are used inside of the document. So this one is The Seasons and this one is Poppins. If we go down further, it will show you any recently used fonts. And the next option is brand kit. So if you're a Canva Pro user, then you are able to upload fonts and store those inside of your brand kit. If you're not a Canva Pro user and you would like to try it out for 30 days, then please click on the link in the description and this will give you a free trial where you can try out all of the amazing features within Canva Pro. And the next one is uploaded fonts. These are the uploaded fonts that have been uploaded into Canva that may have been purchased from other sites such as Font Bundles and Creative Fabrica. And then further down it is showing popular fonts. So these are obviously the popular ones that are often used within documents. And at the bottom we can upload a font. So if you have purchased a font from somewhere outside of Canva, then you can select that option and you can upload your own font. But when you've chose the font that you like, you just simply select it and then it will show you on the document what the newly selected font looks like. And if you're not happy with that, then you can keep going through selecting different fonts until you find a font that you are happy with for your document. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.